Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, editor of Body Shop Business. Today's body shops are looking for ways to increase productivity, save money, while at the same time improve quality. Sometimes a review of how some of the basic processes are performed can lead to significant improvements. Today, Tim McKinney, Senior Application Engineer from Evercoat, will provide an in-depth review of the basics of mixing, applying, and sanding body filler and putty to help ensure a quality foundation for automotive paint. Tim, I noticed you were mixing on a special sheet earlier, and I've seen body shops mix stuff on cardboard before. What was that?
Well, that was our Evercoat mixing sheet. It's a we'll call a tear-away sheet. So as you're mixing on that paper, you tear that away and you have a new, fresh area you can be mixing your product on. Now, mixing it up on cardboard, that's an area that I'm glad you brought that up. You don't want to mix on cardboard, and here's the reason. We want to mix on something that's non-porous and it's not going to absorb our material. You ever put water on cardboard and notice it getting darker? Same thing with the resin for this and the catalyst. So your chemicals that you have in the product are going to be absorbed into the cardboard. There's one problem. Second problem is the fibers. I've seen two scenarios where they're using an uncoated cardboard, so now the fibers of the cardboard are now in the product, and now that's going to absorb solvent. The other problem was that I went into a shop and said, well, we don't use uncoated, we use waxed cardboard. Well, now as the product's being mixed, they're pulling wax off, and now their wax is in there. Best thing to do is use a non-porous, clean substrate. So whether it's going to be something like that, a piece of glass. When I was in the shop, I used a quarter glass out of a car. Worked for many years until it got dropped. Even a piece of stainless steel or aluminum, something like that, so it's not going to be absorbed into it. Sand it smooth, wipe it clean, because we want to make sure we're not picking up any debris off of the mixing surface.